Hi, today I am doing a DSG VW Sharan. See it, and Alhambra and Sharan is the same. And the common problem, this gearbox is showing here is automatic is showing, here is showing P and start flashing. If you can put in a drive, and then you can see it's gonna start flashing and the car is like sometimes drive is okay, sometimes is no drive, and the oil is leaking from the sump, gearbox sump. If you have like this type of issue, and if you diagnose the car, then you can see the error codes come like pump plate protection code coming on there, and reduce fueling pressure. That's two code is coming. I will mention on the topic on the top of the YouTube link. So if you have like this problem of this type of things, you have to bring the car to us. We can ready your car in like 2 to 3 hours, and we give you the warranty as well. And if you have like same OD and VW is the same problems, you can bring that one as well. So if you have like that problem, you can contact me. My phone number is 07402536382, and we are in Hounslow, and my postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango, and my name is Terry. You can contact me anytime, and we can solve your issue. And if I will try to check, because this car is fixed, so I will check, I will go in a history, and I will try to read the error code, and maybe we can find the description. No, I think is not coming in. System is deleted on there. So if you have the problem of like this, we can solve your issue. And my name is Terry, and we are in Hounslow. You can see my other videos. We making a proper video, other one, because this one I forgot, and then I am making now. So you can contact me anytime. Thanks for watching my video. Okay, take care. Bye.